Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings app and then click on the sound section. Here tap on the volume, and just to unmute the ringtone you should swipe this dot to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this switcher is turned off to use the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, not media. And now just by press your up volume button here on this side of your device. Just we can also change our device ringtone volume. And also by the third way we can do is just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Yep. And when just manually with your finger slide up this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.